Hello students, welcome back to Vijay Tech Academy. In our previous lecture, we learned about Pandas and its two important data structure, series and data frame. Today, we will start with first data structure, series. We will learn what a series is and what are the different ways to create a series using Python. These are the learning outcome for today's lecture. So, by the end of this lecture, you should be able to create a series using different types of Python data structures. Before we continue, let's quickly revise what we learned in the previous lecture. We studied about Pandas, its features, installation, import statement, and two data structure, series and data frame. Today we will explore the first one, series. A series is one of the simplest and most powerful data structure provided by Pandas that stores the data in a single column. That is why it is one-dimensional in nature. Every value has an associated index. We will discuss more about index in the upcoming lectures. We can think a series as a single column in an Excel worksheet. The main characteristics of a series, it is one-dimensional in nature. Every element has an index which can be labeled index or positional index. Series is mutable in nature, that is, values of the series can be changed anytime. Series is immutable in its size, that is, size remain fixed. Because every element is accessed by the index, so it is easy to access each and every element, a single element or multiple element. A series can store homogeneous value or heterogeneous values. Now we shall learn the different ways to create a series. I believe that whatever we have discussed just now is clear to you. The first way to create a series is what? That creating a series using a scalar value. A scalar value means what? A single value. Like here you just see this is the series method, or in this series method I have passed a value 10. So this 10 is a scalar value. Okay? Whenever you are having a single value, that is called as a scalar value, and this value can be of any data type. Here it 10 is which is of integer data type. You can have the float data type, you can have string data type also. Also, see, I have used index attribute here with values a, b, c. This we use when we want to repeat the same scalar value number of times. Here the index is a, b, c. So 3 indexes are there. Due to this reason, value 10 will be repeated 3 times. Let's see, it's using the Pandas programming. This is the sample program. Import pandas as pd. S is equal to pd.series 10, index is same, and print s. We just see it in the IDLE screen. Open the new file, type with me import Pandas SPD. Student, please type with me. Now type S is equals to PD dot series value 10. So here a series will be created named as S. So I just print S here. We save this program. Say SE1 is the name of the file. Just save it. What are you seeing here? S is equals to PD dot series, in the bracket I have written 10. No indexing is specified here. So here only one value will be stored in the series object. We just run the program and see the output. So you see the output is coming as 10, index value is 0, and 10 is of type integer. That is why it is coming into 64. Now if I specify the index also, index is equals to A, B, C. So what will happen in this case? Because you have specified 3 index values A, B, C here, so now 10 will be repeated 3 times here with index values A, B and C. So you see the 10 is coming 3 times here. This is the first way we discussed. How do we create a series using scalar value? The second method of creating a series is using list. So for this purpose, we just create a list here. Like in this case, LST is equals to 85, 90, 78, 88. With 4 values, I have created the list, and I am passing this LST here in the series method. So that will create a series for me. Just see the practical example of the same. It is same as we did in the scalar value, only the thing is now we will first create a list and will pass this list in the series method, and then a series will be created. Now again we switch to Python and I just rewrite the program again. First I create a list here. LST is equals to say 67, 89, 90, say 12. My values may be different, but values are given in the slides. S is equals to PD dot series, or in the bracket you can write LST. Now if I run this program, save this. Now you see I have 4 values in the list, 67, 89, 90 and 12, and I pass it in the series method, a series is created with index values 0, 1, 2 and 3, and again the values are data type is what? Int 64, because all the values is of type integer only. So this is the second way to create a series using list. You can see it is very easy to understand and learn. Just these are the simple programs required, simple concept is required how do we create a list. Now we learn the third method of creating series, that is using dictionary. Now you know that dictionary is a key value pair, so we have to just create a dictionary and pass it to series object. In every case we will be having the same concept. With what data structure you are creating a series, just use that data structure and pass that data structure in the series method only. Fine. So here I am using dic as the dictionary and I am passing dic in the series method. Here one important thing that you have to remember is what? That in scalar value or in list value, indexing will start from 0 automatically. Fine. But here in case of dictionary, these are the keys: employee number, employee name, post and salary. These are the keys. 1000 Vijay, admin, 1,25,000 are the values. So when the series will be created, employee number, e-name, post and salary will become the index for the series object, and 1000 Vijay, admin, 1,25,000 will become the values for the series object. Fine. So here also I have mentioned it that dictionary keys becomes the index and dictionary values becomes the data. The same example, so we just switch to Python ideally again. Now we will create a dictionary here. DIC is equals to EMPNO, say 1001, e-name, say Vijay, post, say admin, salary, say 125,000. Now S is equals to PD dot series, and here you will pass what? DIC. Series is the method of Pandas library, that is why we are writing PD dot series here. So dictionary is passed to series method. A dictionary will a series will be created with the name S, where employee number, employee name, post and salary will become the keys. We just execute the program now. And now see the output. In this output you can see employee number, employee name, post and salary are the key, are the index for the series object 1001 Vijay, admin, 125,000 is the value of the series object. Got it? So this is how we create a series using dictionary. Next is creating a series using ndarray. So I believe that in the previous class, in class 11th, we have already covered the concept of NumPy array. Fine. So for creating a series using NumPy, we will be using one important method of the NumPy, that is array method. Or in this array also we will pass some of the data structure like list or tuple or dictionary or any other kind of data structure that is accepted by array method of NumPy. So here what I have done, I am just creating a list first, and then this list is passed to this array. So using this, an array will be created, and this array is passed to series. Then a series will be created using ndarray. The same example is here. So here don't forget to import both the libraries. So first we have to import Pandas and import NumPy. Then I am creating a list. Then I am creating an array using this list, and I am passing this array to series method to create a series named as, and then I will display it. Let's do it practically. So first import both the libraries. Now create a list. Now create a NumPy array named as ARR. So we write ARR is equals to np dot array and pass lst into this. Now the array is created. Now in series object pass this array. A series S is created, print S. We just run this program. Some error has taken place. Let's check the error. Input OK. Here we have written by mistake np. In place of np we have written py. So write it np. Now run the program again. So you see, this is how we are creating a series using ndarray. So we have discussed all the four methods creating series using scalar value, list, NumPy and dictionary. So in today's lecture we learned about all this: creating series using scalar value, creating series using list, creating series using dictionary, creating series using ndarray. Now this is the practice session. I encourage you to complete the homework by writing and executing all programs yourself. I request all the students, please do all these assignments. This will be helping you in learning the concept and understanding the concept easily. In the next lecture, we will learn how do we create a series using custom index and other operations on series. See you in the next lecture. Happy learning. If you found the lecture helpful, please like and share and subscribe to VJ Tech Academy. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.